In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working ExpressVPN promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then at the search box type in ExpressVPN promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free ExpressVPN coupon codes. You can open up any of them. Here I got 6 different coupon codes. For example, that one gives me 49% off for 12-month plans plus 3 months free at ExpressVPN. I can tap right here at more details to get some additional information, and also here I can tap on show deal or show coupon to see that offer. I can tap to continue to the offer to move to expressvpn.com, and then I can climb exclusive deal, and then it moves me to the page where I can buy that plan and get 3 months free with that specific offer. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can always go back to that site, and from here you can try to use another deal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.